Any young princess phone now, what you left fashions. You see, the radia to say, I feel aqua, not have a better year, what I say. Your Madam Hannah, your lever, coupe, you don't even breathe. Yeah, they were there to my respect, so respect haircut. I was German Lebanon zone 5. Yeah, they were there to pass the view you're seeing in tray. Say, guy, need the record, respect, do too, why? Bye bye.
Well, come on, try you.
Ah, me da usa se why? Obo adie nie, ye ti aye.
If you're born by a butcher, and I remove. Okay, so another caller, so Abaline. So, hello, good afternoon. Hey. What do you call money? You got
Hello?
Yes, for front about you. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Patrick Rose. I tag you, Marco, and Patrick, you.
Yo, gradually. I mean, slow. Now, I don't know why I'm at doors. If you have a pack of men, the cat stuff where but a little one gave it to your car. Your car, but what I say, said the Amiasa, and woman about Eddie 7 years into a hop a son of Casaka Pacho.
You, Marty.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Hey, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name? How old are you?
I am 7 years old.
Wow, clap for yourself, clap for yourself. Okay. They are not any Casan crowd. What's your frozen? What's your frozen? Aha, Tiagi. You that's a passer or a man. Oh, Banacasa, why? Nana, nice one. Jenny, why? Yes, bye bye. Hello.
Hello, brother.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, brother.
Patro, your friend saying.
Sister Joy Newtafo.
Sister Joy Moakwa Patro into you.
Then I'm asking. So about me home buying. I'm Bonivian coming. I'm a cat at the floor. That has to be the Mabusian.
Amen.
I'm in Chabe Brabako.
Channel.
You bread, you're very brave. No, Papa, dear, Accra. Or to be out here, Muntimin.
Okay. Bye bye. Okay, please wish Deacon Daniel Akpalu of Full Gospel Church International as Shaman Central happy birthday for me, and also Miss Vida Tete at the same church. Happy birthday, Uncle Emamo. May God bless the two of you. Wifi Eye Kuma Sprayer Bra Foster in chain. Hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Patrick Frost saying.
A friend me Big T Luafina.
Patrick it you.
Roger, me there that's me a friend of Grace Abbey. Mammy pa. I hearing so. Me there that's the man and I'm money in me church elders and me pastors as the Afina. When tell that's my woman now.
Amen.
Roger, I mean, shall not show the energy my power.
That's it. Amen. Next call, hello, good afternoon. Sorry. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Good afternoon.
Patrick
Frost, eh?
The Patrick from me bright. Because I see at him Apiga.
You bright Patrick into you.
Yeah, them and young coupon. So about your home buying, I will do something to you. Then young coupon has it. Brother, I'm in Chamber Tobacco.
Call him.
Your friend is Beatrice, but something. Yami Adom Sunday within the birthday. Man, happy birthday in advance. Happy so, as a down coma, Reverend Margaret of Benewa, Apostle Christian and Nancy.
Yes, we are that's a pa. Never for last 2 calls near the account of here, DSC. Hello.
Yeah.
Good afternoon. Patrick Frost, eh?
Me di Florina. Me ka safe ase.
Flo yetio.
Ewe mi da yamia. One pempen so odin ya bedu. Let me say afia share. I dey do some pempen so me ka say yami wa yedu. Me da yamia se. Ama me bu sie na. Adom me from point na me da yamia se mam.
Amen.
Wo. Me tia kwa me obo ade eni obia. And I'm saying as a friend myself, I feel me now. Many are me.
Amen. Yamin Kwanso. Never fire last caller for today. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Jerry.
What's your first name, boss?
Meeting the Asankus.
Ashankus.
Yes, Asankus.
Asankus. Okay, you patriote you.
Medan Yamea Siama, Mehon, Edison. And can me doyer me better from Pussy or Nkoko Education Office. And name my rural Maximus and a Declan and a Busiano. Namia here so I could hear seeing in a coba the Etna, you Shemu, Neka, Mutuso, but the Aquaba Bissi Sabri, Jerry, the Cata Sedan Kenyami.
Amen.
Namonto, Yamia Simamunqa. The Munya, a Modeni Yans and Yabotra Mayadevia.
Amen. Amen. Yeah, that's the part that we come. Kofi Simpe on Twitter says, work schedules have taken me out of your regular listeners. I do watch some of the videos later on. Greetings going out to Efia Sewa, my mom, Auntie Alice, my in-law, Auntie Diana, food staff seller at Achimota Market, Nancy, my wife, and then Miss Edna Pratt. Ali Popo Kofi Simpi and I said they were. Her name is Lady Prempe and Kaoda. Asidania de ma Petra Trust. Onona obwa now dachi imwa dead yama. When you are old and grey, and what in you be more bet me there jumano. Ebedu ana ogusu dide. Esan say Petra Trust and eboa say be efficiently bet me control sika no through savings, investments, pensions and the can be na. Esan say it is how much control you have over your money and not how much money you have. And eboa me say be bet me achieve your future goals no enyina. I need to for Petra is here 0242 435 037 or visit achievemore.petratrust.com. Petra, achieve more. Kojak Farmer, that's what my the original pro code, them here the Kutia code ni flu. I feel Kojak sensitive to brush, Kojak F and Kojak P mouthwash, Kojak F and Kojak P toothpaste. Ya ni na no. We will be out there, Dana, dear Shana, dear, you now say after moi. Unya Kojak F, the toothpaste in the mouthwash, ni be a big giant tempana. What do you need severe pa? Told I was saying, oh, yeah, told I crowd choose and do to Muja. Used to Kojak P, toothpaste, and then the mouthwash continuously for 4 weeks. Later, I switch to Kojak F. The PR bear fine. Upper best results are now there, yeah. Kojak sensitive to brush and account. Eddie, now fine. And 10 tempana. Ubenya biato pharmacy shops are holding in them across the country. The door pound call Kanshi Drug Lane. Honor be who Kojak Farmer. Phrase 0260 870 780 and our phrase 0249 29 your first second number ni BM 0249 209 920 and Kratwe FDA ay mu hwimu agiatu say ampa correct pa. Afe yan fast day on my DBS Industries Limited. On my top class quality roofing sheet made the boy dance. So roofing sheets are all losing content no money AZ150. They are called market now between AZ30 and AZ50. Into a thick pass a board dance so sa. We are bossed them crowd them new. What I say? Utobia 20-year warranty was so a coloring plus roofing sheet, pre-coated roofing sheet. I say, Brandon Joe then enjoy 5% discount. I was so. Wait me a friend. 0577 619 102. Afi 0543 286 637. We share on Springtest Road no so. Ofie so and Chebia no do Papa restaurant. Wey Efi Mami Brago and Chain. Na oficha brother Sami e wonu we so. O say once sada. Nyame once sada. What is that what here? Now there's good news. Adom man for Kaswan and Important and a Guaranteed Trust Bank Ghana Limited GT Bank. Abe BA and the 34th branch. Our Kaswa. Our Kaswa New Market Road. Close to Senior Senior High School. Now all the banking services need now. You need now. A sign what 24-hour ATM. Yeah, I know I accept Visa card, MasterCard, Maestro, Cyrus, and a China Union Pay cards. What are the usual banking services in China? Customers a bit me utility bills out doing now. Say electricity, water, Gold TV, DSTV, which means I'm making payments of our selected airlines in chain, and I pay US visa fees in so bit me at your Brand also enjoy exceptional banking services where in chain. For further inquiries, phrase 0577 143 200. Guaranteed Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? Who's I mean? My goodness. Happy birthday, Uncle Emma, Mrs. Kathy Ajinasari. May God bless you from your mom and dad, Mr. John Dickens, and Reverend Mrs. Adom Dickens of Perez Chapel International, Jolu, and then Abednego Akwesi Asante, as you do. A4 of Adom FM, wishing you long life and prosperity. Hello, Jerry, please help me thank God for sustaining our marriage for 3 months. Hey. Who 3 and I'm 3 years. But 10 years, who be worried? 2 months I'm not degree. It's Nyamia to me sustain you there 3 months. Why not? That's all there are there. Today is exactly 3 months that we had our engagement. Tomorrow marks 3 months of our wedding. Great you have it. Yeah, man. Shouts going out to you, Maxwell. Maybe soon come out. Mrs. Sylvia Boaje. And then you for more gapo hanina. Especially way bill for no. Greetings going out to all of you. Hello, Jerry. Thanks so much for the words of praise showered on my husband. You have a good heart. May God bless you so much. Hey, let's say do this. Acho, this is okay. your friend sister ama. Or Nkoko Market. Uknu Mr. Charles Oseba, aka Akeki. Also, we show happy birthday and then Yami Unshaw na on Tunkwanem. One ne Baba Ruda. Munina always show happy birthday pa di mu champa. Colleague Bretuba you Kukudiuku. Oh my goodness. Patro Sunday ya ebe Didier with Pokuya 101 Basso. Watermas kitchen tema comes to 2. Snit at you are snit office net you are Brana Bashim Quan Papa net yoti. Netinam netide. Warrior say Bodum Pim. Ne feel good. Didier with Pokuya 101. So Sunday, the 10th of March, 2019, and a pattern Nasha say till you drop, hosted by Pukuya Wendy and OPD. It is sponsored by Amalina Children's Heaven. On Abenyam of Frania Papani Nadiama Bofrano, JM Ado and Sons Limited, producers of Wemplex 400 and Alpha Gully. It is powered by Pukuya 101 Concept and Adom Affair. Where you marry Inti featuring Obapa Christie. You go so I remind you say ne wait me up pre-order. Samsung Galaxy S10 phone for ya bay. Now what you should be. It's not say phone when any phone. I say everything you need. Mobile phone muno. Nina they share phone with the amount. And near me say back mobile phone for the next generation. You actually now they share phone with the amount. Yes. The new Samsung Galaxy S10, a future packed phone with a first of a kind intuitive camera. I am more acquainted multimedia capture beyond what the eye can see. The battery power and the encounter. A temua Vic. A match as our quality miss and share power. You know what I'm saying? A borderless infinity display that will give you a view into the future beyond. It is time to go beyond this generation. All with one phone. Celebrating 10 years of Galaxy innovation. So make that leap now with a Samsung Galaxy S10e, S10, and S10 Plus. Pre-order yours today and get for yourself a free Samsung Galaxy box. Terms and conditions apply. And Chebia Baba Shasam where did you for a I will feel contributed so Adom 106.3 FM.
Everything will be in abundance for me. Everything will be in abundance.
Nungwa Bugatti. So my name is Emmanuel, and I want to thank God for the life of all Ghanaians. Hey, yesterday was our motherland's birthday. Jerry, God bless you so much. Nana Ajwa Sewa on Twitter says, Jerry, I'm very grateful to God for what He has done for Nana Ama McBrown. I've never met her before, but I don't think she's as happy as I am now for her. God, you forever be God that you are. Or if you Woodbridge, Virginia, nearby. Nana Ajwa Sewa. And on that note, let's say a very big congrats to you, Nana Ama McBrown. Grappling brother also on Twitter says, I want to thank God for Na Adole Papu of Nados Collection, Accra, Newtown. Amma Elizabeth. Good afternoon. I want to thank God for giving me another day. And also thank God for your life as well. Thank you. God bless you. Freddy's corner said, "Bra, never jim mobile phone be a winner be a finna dress you. Me patron open the latest iPhone XS, and now say iPhone XS Max, and now Samsung Galaxy Note 9, Nokia 7 Plus, itel, Huawei, Y7 Prime ya bay, Dinabio, Infinix. Oh, they're not available in chain. They want to that from a original. So the same way all types of laptop computers in the bags, mobile phone accessories, printers, kitty tablets, and I think so gold curved LED TVs, computer hard drives. She share Freddy's corner chair behind Holy Gardens Police Station, Kwame Nkrumah Circle, and then next to Adom Rice Restaurant, Wokokomlemle, Sprinters Road, Ubenwi, and Ben Bogas Furniture, and up your waterman. So I war between Casino and Community One Police Station, Kumasi or Hapa Road, Adom, Ben Stanbeck Bank, and yes, our Prempeh the 2nd Avenue. Any old GNTC building didn't share anymore. Your head office, where Kokomlemle, the Ben City Light. Obey to me, Alfred, Freddy's Corner. It was 020 793 7323. I face 0544 959 195. Freddy's Corner, your authentic source of latest mobile phones and accessories. After your barber shop, someone you do to your home for a year, you will feel consumed so Adom 106.3 FM. I can't get see Mighty Power range of products and a fake Kojak charcoal toothpaste. Amadama, it's yes, and ready to for an area will feel consummation. But you're not somewhere to you for what Professor Nassam say. Don't compare your life to others. There is no comparison between the sun and the moon. They shine when it's their time. Yes, don't compare yourself to others. There's no comparison between the sun and the moon. They shine when it's their time. Or say, and found who and to afofo aka eho. You are different. Say they almost different. We are all not the same. You see, the beauty of life is to see, say, we are shrunk. I mean, sometimes there are some places you go now, different. To say, be a wako big mall, be mupana, e be kone be ba. Oh, e be a wako party be. Wo beach baby na hunipa mu asoto ebia wadu big airport be international airport be ultimate amount for a tight transit or pa na wo hwe nipa different ebi from countries be able to din class and no so when crown the world map na wo hwe nipa bi anim na ebi no most church which me she obi say hey to understand the kura we won yam 9 months because say me share ma bi pa wo Turkey awurade Yesu papa ni gina wa hwe me height yi na hwesa dem tie na me jua no ma pedam ti say na me hwe papa na nim osoro what no science so to that get on am hey we do onya no so be miensa mi wo busuo mu enipa bi wo hu obu oso awuhia na wo hwe no kran timi hwe because wo hwe no bebre wa hwa oh obedwen say bia opese because wo hwa ti aso do wani to bi na hwe no ti say kro bi oh, the nation bag mukrebe na ade yekumu awdo. We are all not the same. Nyame woni nyansem no wambo ye nyina pepepe. Aye sensaten ye nyepe. Enti aden na odo ho kototo obi ho. Na opesa wo ye tese obi. Unya na ka abra bon tese asemasi. Won so your benten. Ebede na be yesa. So you end up doing what you're not supposed to do. At the end of the day no e bia na nyame do ba wiase mu. Senka brane be yes something particular be a washer that they are share war one side. But because we were jailed and you are not, comfortable with who you are, you don't accept one kasa on say na nyame bom na say na mete na wunya yan ka yo bi fufronti na da do ho tutu obi nti no na de sesen ka wo ye eme so ban fa so ma ebi sun abusuafo so na ebi sun so fa so ni ebi sun amanfo nyina so o man mu mpo na wiase afa na nyina no obehwe na waka sa de na hye enipa bebre akopie asieye cemetery ewa branya ade anyame di dua omumu se nkomo meye na em benefit amansan no antimi amasa they are dead, they are gone with sade ni na because wa man ho kwan na de awurade person de ne ye no wa mfana anye. Be yourself and find one to two people from said the assembly ka chen no awie ye wo ho yi asabre ye na wo hwe wie mu wo se shiny wo de wani hwe wie a wontimi hwe se wie bopa you can't watch the sun with your naked eyes. When you be you hurt your eyes. It shines so bright. I know they pa. And just like the moon, on so do any less and abusumi, you know, say ya efe. What that want me pay when you show him? Kasha na de call night beach bi pa na puna na lazy chebi na dem say na too many show him na say the moon yi da or something. Oh fe edu ba bia na say design bi won bisa no and the wo hwa heti wani sa efe. But you see sir two ade obi ani won mo a oka say me de me ye we chen we ana me ye we chen we awia won adwuma a wo ye den the moon can't serve what the sun can serve us. In the same way, the benefit of the moon na yenya no awia no so ntimi mfa no so manyen obia dinilemu. You don't see the sun at night. There be and you mra ye koda e se wiemu dwuma yen from night mi e ba ba ho pa e ba bi dan enye sabre na wia no wo hyen wo kire ntumi ke be dada. When we need the moon at night na we pie na ono so wa kire ni tumi wa kire de ono so wo na ho fa daddy fefefe. Then we all admire the moon. Say, it is beautiful. I see the moon and the moon sees me. God bless the moon and God bless me. Yenkasa, I see the sun and the sun. No, Satan, because moon na de naba and your body so. In the same way, when you need the sun awia brem na bia o niema bi kura wasia sense on ade wo pese awia mpombo na niema na dry up ma on ade. We need the energy of the sun, and yet there are so many things as humans. Obia one strength obia di ne lai mu omo compare omo ho enka se we ana we obia time so a oye na adwuma se edu awia bre mu a awia kire ne bobre edu anadwo a osam no so kire ne bobre sa na nipa yete ebia nyame bo so ye nipa tietia edu ba bia nipa tietia no we useful wo ba bi ade esese wo ye ebia unyame bo so ye tenten pa edu ba bia won so mfa so no eba e wo ba bia ehia nipa tenten ama na ya de ebia yo bia lenge ana yo bia obolo kese pa obia wo ba bia edu a ne so ba mfa so ye na ekwae pa ebe de na ehia ba bia obia oswa eso wura ba bia ye ni obi se na make se mihia papa bu epota tenten gram goyi ade bia ka ba bi ne epo bia wura tokro bia koyi aba ye pia na fa we be yi dabi but ye nyo bi ti sa yo a ne aso ne musesi aso ne nan obewura tokro mu apia basisi a. That is life. Obia wo de esese oye e wa brabo mu sana won so nyame ayo enti huhu sa wo ye special wo ye unique wono wo sesu bi ni ba bia ye betimi aka se obi sew ba ye ntimi nka so nipa akono ye wo because wo ye one pe na ba asasi so. Yes, so believe in yourself and stop comparing yourself to others, for there is no comparison between the sun and the moon. They shine when it's their time. Mediwesi, you fast down my proud sponsors. Menka Sahumbi. If you know who will be IS idea now, stop it. We be say now, stop it. Stop. You need to stop. Oh, stop it. And you're the papa. Mighty Power Tonic. And then the capsules. A boapa. Oh, Shadia, no one is where we see you. Umoja mua befi. Moja na kwada etimi ni afusani ye. Ebe yi mufni purify blood in na light na timi circulate ye pa. O ye bema na say ahoden so te won pam ni ade a. Ebe show ma be say gian na so pampe wabo adwuma kama pa. Usisi ni ade ya na tai o ya na ade nyina to ebetwa. Afi Mighty Power expires ointment nso ho. Koko just a one use. Shini na popuni na afi no why free obi wa no koko ba se wo titinya keka no saa ne ade obi de timi ne ya na ne de pai sei e che ba wa ko fichiri. Mighty Power expires ointment ene bebo and your Mighty Power keep it laxative the friends capsules eso so wo ho unya bi na no mo a eno no amama ya hye omu na beko oyamu atim constipation ya hawa adwini na no eto betwa na oyamu asansan kama pa ena Mighty Power hair cream no so quick hair growth afa wa team bubu etete rough me na ebeja check ni na team na fu ebrum fefe kama pa. Mighty Power beauty cream and a clear black spots ne wrinkles ne ade a brighten skin no natural color and said the tie na asan soften skin no kama pa e dia ma pbh akwan na correct pa obenya product in bi our herbal ne pharmacy shops out doing them nationwide. Do pa no Mighty Power Company frame our 0243 122 192 0243 122 192 and after 0242 725 009. Mighty Power was yes your poti Kojak charcoal toothpaste. We know ye de wawura tetimu akola bi wona ye hwene nka bone wona numu anasa ne sen ya pra won body tire no ye bobo so saa ne ayam bidie ne de aboso de amase se fatwusin utwisa ne wanum na ese tum ba wie na de nso oru wanum saa na osen apaya ye fita ne wanum ate no scent now na osen no eye correct pa eno na nei Kojak farmer fo akofa de aba Kojak charcoal toothpaste papa urewe to put it on test no oh would say normal toothpaste now use na men wa but koto Kojak charcoal toothpaste ne ba ko faton chen now there we 1 week bi si wa no aka che family ni na so week we there obi anfa we ntwi ne se ne hwa there no mu wi a check ne hwa results no I feel from there and you be the better advice so say men no enda new toothpaste e bo adwuma pa ya tree boas ya formulate no kama to say ancient days abrana ye yam eye chako na yede ya na yede twitwi yesin yede body tree boss no sa pepepe na we no ya ye no ede ama wo esan say we no e ma optimal cleaning kama pa na said the tie no ya no such that and the puppy wo sa bidie na de no mu an ada combination ye nema bi ade ahyehye mu a eboa yie pa e ma wanum won ankasa no ete clean pa e wa bra nkum wa no to say usual one year chemicals bebre e mo bi no wo wanum a omo so no said the nyame bo ade no omo hia sa omo so etimi tena ho na omo ye adwuma bi e de boa wo mu nyina no ehwe ebo ho ban na emum no e clean wanum no ete correct kama pa etu obia pe bi echi akwan na o de tra hwe enipa bi mu ho no mu a omonya stains ewo omosene so enema bi nkeka kan sene so ebia no obi o type tea pa ana obi o pe coffee pa ana obi wa wish great zama said the nsian ye aye no hu bibio obo modern man saka Kojak charcoal toothpaste bia wo de fa choose to so ana hwa de wan hwe be kasa wa hye da kokra na ose no yakọ polish de ama wo oh as no toothpaste ya na yes adwuma ni na e de ama me pa cho benya bi echi akwan e wo most of the pharmacy shops ni emo bado do pa no Kojak Pharma wo Okanshi Drug Lane phrase 0249 209 920 and 0244 674 400 nkratoi FDA I mu hwemu agi atum say e correct or how bia eni achi. Good afternoon going out to you, Mr. Eric Aqua, aka Zaga. Zaga, me patro anyume ebe e odi awa, but what dia na enjoy man why. Eti Mr. Eric Aqua, aka Zaga. Onimunio.